Every day, the global engine of luxury demands its most fundamental ingredient, raw hide. Each delivery is precisely weighed and digitally cataloged. Traceability begins here, ensuring every single preserved in salt for their journey. These hides carry the unique markings of their origin. In this spotless offloading zone,
The first transformation. In these industrial drums, the hides are thoroughly washed and treated. This removes the salt, dirt, and begins the process of hair removal.
now revealed, each hide is meticulously graded. Skilled eyes and hands assess its potential. This is the heart of the operation, the tanning hall. Here, the raw protein fibers are permanently stabilized through chemical infusion.
Samps. Excess moisture is removed with immense hydraulic pressure. Then, the leather is tensioned and set to dry uniform.
Under the unforgiving light of inspection, every natural mark is cataloged. This quality control is crucial. Color and character are bestowed here. Penetrative dyes create rich, uniform tones. The final touch. The leather is buffed, polished, and sometimes given a uniform surface texture through embossed.
Precision meets art. Computer-guided lasers cut the leather with microscopic accuracy. This maximizes yield from every hide.
This is the end of the line within these walls. The finished leather, a product of ancient craft. From a raw, perishable hide to a symbol of luxury and durability. This is an industry built on
The journey from hide to high fashion is complete. If you are fascinated by this blend of tradition and technology, like and subscribe.